So we're gonna have lunch here at Your Local. It's a Brooklyn-inspired restaurant serving Asian fusion cuisine. So I'm really excited. It's around 2. It's already 2 p.m. and the flight got delayed and I'm pretty hungry. So I hope you like the food here.
Try po nila yung pork salmon donburi, steak fried rice, and lamb.
Recommend here. What's your favorite?
The salmon donburi.
Why?
Because the flavors just mix so well. Every time I make it, it's just that, I don't know, hindi nakakasawa siya for some reason. So yeah.
Thank you.